Good morning, everyone. I am headed to Buckhead. My Hermes sales associate invited me to, they have like a personalization event where you can get embroidered. They have like a specialist on site. So I am headed up there and I'm running late, so let's hurry up. A quick fit check. So this bodysuit is from, is it called Double DD bodysuit? Love their tops. These shorts are Veronica Beard. And then I just have my Dior slides. I have my new Chanel 19. Jewelry is from Idol. I got the Evil Eye and Evil Eye necklace. And then I have my Hermes bracelet. Oh, and I have my new Hermes ear cuff. Very exciting. All right, let's head to Hermes. All right, guys, I'm in the car. I am waiting at the red light. It is kind of an anomaly for me to go out 2 days in a row. I actually went out to the city yesterday. I visited the Ponce City Market because the new Glossier Atlanta store just opened up and it was such a cute little shopping area. I am planning on going back, but today I'm headed to Buckhead. There are a bunch of stores there. I've been there a few times now. I think I'm probably gonna just head to the Hermes and I think that's it because it is looking like it's about to downpour. Yesterday there was a huge storm and so I think it might rain today, unfortunately. Quick, what's in my bag? So I have this little Dior pouch. This is where I keep my camera for vlogging. I have my Prada key ring, and this is kind of like my wallet. All my cards are here. This is the Chanel 19, the new one, because the first one had a scratch on it. I have to get this Samorga insert, but for now I just have my phone charger. I have my base little pouch organizer with all my electronics, extra battery. Some of the lip and beauty products in my bag today are this fresh lip treatment, Marc Jacobs. I love this. It's a lip gloss stick. Miss Dior hand cream. And then this is the Glossier Cookie Butter Bomb.com I got from the Glossier Atlanta store opening. Then I wanted to show you this before I get to the store. As you may have seen, I got the Hermes ear cuff. And unfortunately, the large one did not work out as an ear cuff, but it does work great as a scarf ring. Now, because I'm crazy, I actually bought 2 of them before I knew that it didn't work out. So I do plan on keeping the blue ear cuff, both the small and the large, because I can use the large one as a scarf ring. But I also had gotten it in orange. Unfortunately, I can't justify having 2 large ear cuffs that don't even work as ear cuffs. I can maybe justify the one blue one because it matches my smaller ear cuff and my bracelet. I'm gonna go ahead and exchange this. This is the receipt that it comes with, and they give you 30 days to exchange it in store. So I'm headed in store anyway to do the scarf personalization event. So I will go ahead and exchange this large ear cuff. All right, guys, I'm here in Buckhead. I got some street parking and it was pouring raining when I got here. The weather in Georgia is so crazy because it's kind of like Florida in that it will be muggy AF, but sunny. And then it will just start cascading, pouring, raining for like 5 minutes. And then while it's sunny, and then it'll stop. My husband, takes my umbrella. I have a huge umbrella in the car and every time it rains, he takes it and doesn't put it back. So I'm probably gonna bring this VRE hoodie just in case it rains again. So, all right, let's go to the store. All right, I'm walking to the store and since I've been here, they added this really cute fetch park. It's like a little dog park. How cute is that? I usually try to park here down on Fulton, I don't know, the streets, because there's lots of shade when you walk up along here. And then Hermes is all the way down that way. On the right side, there's this really great Italian restaurant that I like to go to for lunch whenever I'm down here. And there's another store called Sac Deluxe. I'm gonna try to stop by there. It's like a consignment shop. It's more of a local, the real fashion file type place. So I'll stop by there.
Kind of thinking something brighter because these are a little dark in here.
This is so pretty. Oh yeah. Huh. So this is navy and that's cobalt?
This is navy. Yeah, navy.
Oh, okay. Because that's. Oh, okay. This is theater. Grand Theater, new theater. Oh, pretty.
The dark navy, yeah.
Yeah, this, and then it would be on the tan.
It'll be on the tan.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty. And then this one is black, and it's gonna be.
Well, we're
Oh, yeah,
probably
yeah.
gonna
That's
go
right.
in here.
Okay.
Unless you want to, like I said, unless if you want to do something shorter, we can always move it over a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, I like it in the trees.
Yeah, I think that's nice.
Okay.
So let me grab this sheet. Perfect. All right, so we'll leave
Okay.
this
So
with
that's
this
for
one.
that.
Okay.
Oh, and then this one we'll just say Cindy. So in the
C-I-N-D-Y.
C-I-N-D-Y in the block print. So is that like this one? That's
Yes,
the block.
block.
Okay.
Which will be nice for this because it already has the block on the.
Oh, okay.
On the
I think I
title
saw
part.
it.
Yeah.
The Hermes.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. And we're doing the navy.
In navy, yeah. So that's script. So C-I-N-D-Y in this script. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I just left Hermes and I got a few things. I got a few scarves, but they weren't able to embroider them today, so they have to ship it to me. And actually one of them they didn't have in stock, so I ordered that one. Then it has to be shipped out to be embroidered. But it was such a cool experience, and I'll include all the footage that I got from inside the store, but it was very cool. I recommend getting your Hermes scarves embroidered if you can. But there it is. Oh, look at that nice scarf from the window. All right, guys, I'm here at Sac Deluxe with Ford.
Yes.
Hi,
Hello.
Ford. Okay, I came in because they had Chanel bum bags that I wanted to see, but then they also got a bunch of Birkins. You have to follow the TikTok because he posted everything, and I was like, oh, exotics.
We have this silver one,
Oh, okay.
this vanilla print.
Is there another location, Sac Deluxe?
No,
This is just the one. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, awesome.
This one,
Oh, cute.
this one.
Is that sequin? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it says
Does
it's
say
from the
Coco?
Cuba collection,
Oh,
so it's Coco
cute.
Cuba.
Okay.
And
Oh,
then,
look at this, 19. This is my bag today, my 19.
I know, that one's so cute.
But this is like a turquoise. How much is this
It's called
guy?
Neon Blue. That
Oh,
one's
neon blue.
42.50.
42.50. Okay.
We have this
Oh
one
yeah.
and this one.
Oh, I love. So that one looks like the Chanel employee bags. They have like a bum bag, but it's
Yeah, I
black.
think that one's just a little bit bigger than the employee
How much is
ones.
that one? Does that have the double C zipper?
Yes, that one is $27.50.
Pull? Okay. I love bum bags. Oh, look at this one. Oh,
I know,
this is
that
so
one's so
cute.
cute with the Charling.
Is that real fur? Like.
Yeah, it's a
No.
muff. That's not a flat bag, it's a muff.
Oh, so your hands go in
Yeah.
there to keep it warm. That's
Yeah.
so cute. Look at the Gabrielle. Did you sell the exotic Birkin already?
We just don't keep those in the store.
Oh,
So we
okay.
have them, we just,
Yeah.
they can be brought in,
Yeah,
but we
yeah,
just
yeah,
don't,
yeah.
for security reasons.
Okay. What else? What's back here now? Cute.
Have you ever seen this 2.55? It has this like removable pearl strap and a mirror. I think it's so cute.
What? Oh my
Right?
gosh, it is so cute. Oh, so it's like a special reissue.
Yeah, that one's
This
from
one.
like, I believe it's from like 2010, 2011. There's not many of them on site. Well,
Oh,
there's
I
not-
never saw that. I know the Egyptian collection has all the little gold
Yeah.
thingies, but I haven't seen that one. Here are the shoes. So these are all for consignment. If you bring anything, you always have tons of Louboutins. They have a lot of larger sizes. And so I don't know if I bring any of my shoes that I don't wear a lot, I don't know if they would sell quickly. Probably not. Shoes in general don't really go quickly here. I just noticed they have this LV stuffed animal. I did a video short or reel showing this collection. It was just this ridiculous LV, I don't know if it was Virgil Abloh collection where it had stuffed animals. LV Zoom and Friends Panda shoulder bag, excellent condition, $35.50. Oh, so is this a bag? Where is the? I don't know where the zipper. Oh, okay, yeah, there's the zipper in the back. That's so funny. $35.50 Panda bag. This was a long day. I'm so tired. Here is what I ended up getting. These two Hermes bags and then lunch from the Italian place. All right, I had an eventful day here in Buckhead. I stopped by the Hermes. I was there for a long time because it took me a while to pick out the scarves, and unfortunately I don't have the scarves to show you because they weren't able to personalize it at on site. She was working on two other ones. She was super nice, and she's the only one apparently in the company that can do it, so she does it for everyone. So they ship it to her shop in Philly or New York. I think she's based out of the Madison. I will receive it in 6 to 8 weeks, which is fine. But I did get something else. I got a couple little things from Hermes, so I didn't go all the way around the stores here because it's too hot and I was pressed for time. I was at Hermes for a long time, but I will see you back at home, I think. Hey guys, I am back home. It is the next day. I had some stuff to do with the kids when I got back from Buckhead yesterday, but I wanted to show you real quick what I got from the store. And it's actually not everything that I picked up because some things will have to be shipped to me, which I will explain in a moment. But in this smaller Hermes bag, I just got this one little thing. It is just the infused lip care oil. And I already own this. I got it in coral color from Nordstrom, but this time I got it in this rosewood shade. It's like a really pretty neutral mauve tone. It's called Rose Cola. Very pretty. That's the little swatch right there. And anything that is moisturizing, hydrating, nourishing on my lips, I prefer over a matte. So I love lip oils. So I was there for the embroidery event and it was so amazing. Check out the video. I'll include as much as I was able to vlog in store. But they had the Hermes embroidery specialist, and she literally is the one embroidery lady for the entire company. She embroiders all the textiles, all the silks for the entire company, everything. If you get something embroidered from Hermes, she's the one doing it. She works out of the, I believe, the Madison Hermes boutique, and we were very fortunate to have her in the store. So unfortunately, she wasn't able to embroider mine on site, so it's going to be shipped to her at her store, and when she embroiders it and sends it back out, I'll have to do another video. But yeah, it's like a 6 to 8 week lead time, unfortunately, so it's gonna be a bit of a wait. So yeah, I picked out a few. She was just so knowledgeable, and you could tell she was so passionate about all the history behind Hermes, and she knows all the different materials and how it's made. It just was so cool. Like, I could talk to her for a long time. She was cool. I didn't walk out with any scarves because it is all going to be embroidered, but I did walk out with one thing, and my sales associate was very nice and gave me this big box. It actually didn't fit in this box. I got this, the Hermes Bric-a-Brac. Now, I have to give a shout out to Jose. Jose is my Saks sales rep at the Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive, Saks. His Instagram is at Saks5Drip. He sent me pictures of this because he was saying that he wanted it, and I was totally not trolling him, but I was like, that is such a weird shape. I just was like, what do you need this for? But you know what? I saw this in store. They had this. This is the large one in the white, like a cream taupe. I don't know the color scheme. And then they had a smaller one in orange. And I just for fun just tried both of them as bags. Now this is meant to be like a dop kit, kind of a toiletry bag. And for the longest time, I didn't even know the name of it. I kept calling it bric-a-brac, but it's called the Bric-a-Brac. I had to have it. So sorry, I eat my words, it is super cute. This is a little dust bag it came in, and yeah, it's just so nice. I don't know, you can use this as a bag. I probably would use this more as a toiletry, you know, what it's intended for, a little dop kit. You can tie twilly around the straps and wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a crossbody. You can just hand carry it as a little bag. So this larger size, it is 100% cotton. The color is just called Natural, and it was $610. Very cute little bag. It's got the 2 slip pockets here and then 1 little slip pocket here. So very roomy. So if I do use this as a toiletry pouch when I'm traveling, it will certainly fit pretty much all my toiletry and makeup. Or you can use it as a purse. It's big enough to fit a phone. I'm definitely going to coat everything with Scotchgard. I just think Scotchgard works really well. I use it on my Dior book tote. I use it on my LV canvas, like the straps. I'm part of the Bride of Brack fan club now. So let me know if you guys have this, how you style it, if you use it as a bag, what you guys do with this. I posted it on my Instagram stories, and people were sending me pictures of how they style it as a bag, and it just looks so cute. So it took me a while to jump on this Bride of Brack bric-a-brac train, but I like it. So yeah, this is everything that I got today. Not a lot, but again, I have some scarves, shawls, silks on the way. It will be personalized. I'm very excited about it. And yeah, if you get a chance to go to an Hermes embroidery styling event, I recommend attending because it's very informative. So I hope you enjoyed watching my little Hermes embroidery event vlog and kind of attending virtually with me. Let me know if you have this bag and how you style it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.